Hey, it's Aubrey and Kaylee.
Hi, guys.
We were just talking about the company barbecue we had last weekend.
Yeah, it was so fun, and it's so bittersweet seeing all the kids growing up.
It was. It's so amazing how supportive our company is with supporting parents and the kids. So that's what we're going to talk about today is how companies can support employees that are new parents. So Kaylee, is there any legal requirements?
Yeah, one of the biggest and most well-known federal laws out there is the Family and Medical Leave Act, and this is also known as FMLA. And this applies to new parents who've had a child biologically, but also applies to parents who are fostering or adopting a child.
And how much leave would they get?
So they would get about 12 weeks of unpaid leave, and that would be within a 1-year period, so you don't lose your job or your employee-sponsored insurance.
Awesome. Is there anything else that's covered under FMLA?
Yeah, employers must give nursing employees a reasonable amount of break time and a space to express milk as frequently as needed for the first year of the baby's life. And that space can't be a bathroom, and it must be free from intrusion.
So are there any laws that protect pregnant workers?
Yeah, there is the most recent federal law out there is the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act, which provides reasonable accommodations for pregnant and postpartum workers.
Oh wait, didn't Danielle do a video about that?
Yeah, she did a really great job, and that video is actually linked down below.
So now that we've kind of discussed all the federal laws, is there any state requirements?
Yeah, there are 12 states that have paid parental leave. Washington is one of those states, which is where Northwest is based. That paid parental leave ranges between 6 and 18 weeks.
So now that we've talked about some of the legal requirements, let's go over things that companies can do to help support their employees as new parents.
For sure. 4 of the biggest things that come to mind in supporting employees as new parents would be having flexible work hours, those remote work options, helping out with childcare, and even the paid parental leave. And one thing about paid parental leave is, even though some states it's not required, there isn't anything holding an employer from offering paid parental leave to their employees.
So you brought up flexible work hours and work from home. I know as a parent, that's really convenient for me. Being able to get the kids up in the morning, get them to school, or go to an appointment. You also brought up childcare. Everybody knows how expensive childcare is these days. So I know some options are available for parents being able to bring their kids to work, have an in-office childcare, or even a reimbursement option. I also thought about maybe like a mental health option, having a list of providers we can contact, or having like an in-office therapist.
Yeah, those are both great. New parents are often sleep deprived, and people who have given birth are vulnerable to having postpartum depression. So I think both of those are really great mental health options.
For sure. So Kaylee, let's go over some of the takeaways from our discussion.
Yeah, one of my takeaways was there are 2 federal laws, which are the Family and Medical Leave Act and the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act. And there are also 12 states that have paid parental leave.
Yeah, those are awesome. Some of my takeaway was employees can offer extra benefits, like flexible work hours, working from home, or even childcare. And thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestions for new parent employees, leave them in the comments. Remember, call Northwest when you want more.